Hi everybody, Brian with Close to My Heart. I'm here to talk to you about one of our newest paper collections, one of our new specials. Those who have been following us for a few months might remember a Gnomes for Autumn special that we did a couple of months ago. Well, we're back with another Gnomes special. This time it's Gnomes for Winter, and I'm excited to show you the products and some of the artwork that we've prepared using these awesome things. So take a look with me at what we've got. This is a look at everything that we're offering through the Gnomes for Winter special. It looks like a lot to take in. I'm going to walk you through what's here. But isn't that some awesome products? You can see already how exciting this is. I'm going to clear away a couple of these things for just a minute so that we can really focus on the heart of this special, and that is this Gnomes for Winter paper collection and sticker sheet. So as you can see, there's a really wonderful color palette going on here. Some nice cool colors, great for all kinds of winter projects. And this really fun sticker sheet with some really big titles and smaller accents and things that would just go great on scrapbook pages, cards, and all kinds of crafting items. And though we call it Gnomes for Winter, the gnomes, as you can see, are not necessarily going to take over all of your crafting, not if you don't want them to. There's a couple of stickers here that have gnomes on them, but let's say that you're a person that doesn't care for gnomes. I find that hard to imagine, but let's just pretend that you're someone who doesn't necessarily go crazy for the gnomes. Well, look, you just take those stickers out and you've got a whole sticker sheet with non-gnome crafting options here. Same goes with the paper packet. Just look at these wonderful versatile patterns. You got some really great stripes. These are two-sided, of course. Some great stripes here. A nice word pattern with all kinds of fun little wintry sayings like snuggle up and snow much fun. This awesome argile-y kind of grid paper, a beautiful snowflake and snow pattern. Man, isn't that just such a rich color? Awesome. And then you've got this guy here. This has our gnome back. He's skating his way through this page, and there's a little girl gnome holding the snow globe on that one. And on the back side, where'd they go? They went into hiding. The gnomes are known for doing that, aren't they? So this, again, if you're looking to cut the gnomes out of your crafting, you've got a whole side of that sheet. If you're just gaga for gnomes, guess what? You've got all the gnomes you can handle right there, cavorting through that page there with the deer and all kinds of fun accents there. So that's the awesome Gnomes for Winter paper packet. To go with that, we have the coordinating cardstock pack. This is what comes in the Gnomes for Winter coordinating cardstock, 2 each of all these different colors. As you can see, we're showing them with the front and backs. This is our awesome two-toned cardstock that everyone has come to love so much. We have periwinkle, mist, pine, espresso, sapphire, and white daisy, 2 sheets of each that come in the Gnomes for Winter coordinating cardstock pack. And you can see how well those colors play with this patterned paper, giving you lots of options and lots of material to use. Now let's bring back some of those other items that we were looking at just a minute ago. I'll put these papers to the side. These other items coordinate with the paper designs perfectly and add to your creative options. So we got 2 stamp sets right here. These are called scrapbooking and card making stamps. Of course, you can use them on any kinds of crafts. This scrapbooking one, we call it that primarily because of these large title images that would be great to put on a scrapbook page as a title. I'll come over here and show you a little bit closer up what those look like. And because this is a stamp plus thin cut set, this stamp set comes with a coordinating set of thin cuts dies that you can use to cut out some shapes like that snowman, that sled, those awesome snowflakes, that little Christmas tree, and the mitten. So the dies make it easy for you to cut those accents out and add them to your crafting. So this is the scrapbooking set. Just take a look at the beautiful images on that set. We also have the card making stamp set, specifically designed with some nice sentiments for the fronts and the insides of your cards. Just imagine some of the great artwork. You don't have to imagine it for long, because I'm going to show you some examples of how we've used this stamp set in some card making. Also in this collection are these white acrylic shapes. These are just so fun. Take a look at these. Oh, I scattered them all over the place there. Take a look at these great snowflakes. These are made out of durable white acrylic. They make a great addition to all kinds of artwork, and there's a variety of shapes and sizes. I can't say that no 2 snowflakes are the same, because guess what? Some of these are the same as each other. But that's great for adding a lot of variety to your artwork as well. Just take a look at the white acrylic shape that you get. I'm just going to throw them down there. And last but not least is the Gnomes for Winter Thin Cuts set. This is an art representation of what you can create using this set of dies. You can see the fun shapes that you get to build this little gnome or one just like it. You get this base image right here that then you build on top of using this hat and coat layer, this beard layer. You see the hat has these fun little stitching details, and the beard has some details in it as well that'll cut out of the paper, and the fun little mouth. I love the shape there. You get these two ice skates that cover up the base there, so you can make skates of any color of your choosing. There's a mustache for another layer and a nose to poke out. That's a critical element of any gnome craft. So you can take those dies, cut out the shapes, and layer them together to make a fun little gnome accent like this. And just wait until you see this guy in action on some of this artwork I'm going to show you in just a minute. So that is the Gnomes for Winter product collection. And all of those products are available individually, or you can get them at a discounted price by purchasing them in the Gnomes for Winter bundle, product bundle. In addition to the product bundle, we have two workshop bundles, a scrapbooking bundle and a card making bundle, that pair the Gnomes for Winter items together with a few other products that you can use to make the artwork that I'm going to show you now. So here are our scrapbooking layouts from the scrapbook workshop. Now take a look. I told you that gnome really got in on the action here. Take a look at how he adorns that 2-page layout there. Such a fun layout. You can see the sticker title. We're going to look at these more in depth later on this month, but just feast your eyes for now and see the artwork you can create using the Gnomes for Winter scrapbooking collection. Take a look at that really beautiful and fun layout there. More of those gnomes tumbling their way across the page. Some creative ways to use those die cuts. And last of all, this third 2-page layout. So 3 2-page layouts that you can make using the items in the Gnomes for Winter scrapbooking workshop. And that workshop bundle is available at a discount, or you can purchase another version that doesn't include the stamp plus thin cuts and get it at a little bit lower price, but not at a discount. Last, I'm going to show you some cards from the card making workshop. There are 8 different card designs. You can see that put that stamp set to great use. And you will make 2 of each of these card designs using the Gnomes for Winter card making workshop supplies. Again, there's a discounted bundle available or a non-discounted version. Last but not least, last 2. I'm going to go ahead and try putting these all out on this other side so you can see them all together. A little bit sloppy, but get the job done. Did too good a job of layering those. So there's the 8 different cards that you'll make using the Gnomes for Winter card making workshop. So you've got a product collection with papers, cardstock, stamps, thin cuts, and acrylic shapes. You've got a scrapbooking workshop with materials for creating 3 2-page layouts, and you've got a card making workshop for creating 2 each of 8 different awesome, beautiful winter card designs. All of that included in our Gnomes for Winter special, which is available now through the end of December. December 31st is the last day for this special, while supplies last, of course. So make sure to get your orders in early so you can add the fun Gnomes for Winter products to your winter crafts. Enjoy, and from all of us at Close to My Heart, have a great winter time.